Hi, my friends. This is Cori. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. Today I have an unboxing. This one is a package that I really thought would come before Christmas, but I guess it was more of a hope than a thought. So it just got here yesterday and I am unboxing it today. I ordered this from Paintsomeway on December 10th and it got here on January 11th. So that's understandable considering the holidays, but so there will be a lot of Christmas items in here. There are things that I really want and hopefully will be able to do for Christmas next year. And before we get into that, I have another Adorn It package for my, let's see, it's for my monthly club from Adorn It, and it's my tailgate party. And this month's picture is, in the tailgate party, is a bunch of snowmen. And it says, "There's snow place like home." And I will show you the, oh, this one opens from the side this time. I'm gonna do a video on this exclusively when I start this project, and so anyway, I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to see if you can see the texture of that. It's almost like a paper towel, and it's a sticker that you peel off and put on your fabric. You stitch it, and then it washes away. It also has on the back here what stitches are used, and it has a sulky thread list here to do the project. And I'm gonna put this over here. So that's my Adorn It. Be looking for my Adorn It as I try my first one. Okay, this is from Paintsomeway. This is a snowman. The snowman cost $11.99. And I'm not going to get into this package because I did another one for you just like this. It looks like that. It looks like it's the same company and everything. It's 11 count, 45 by 60. I gave that one away. So I really liked that one, so I ordered another one. This one is a Christmas lighthouse by DIY Crosstitch. This one cost $7.99. I'm probably going to have to break this up. I didn't want to, but I might have to. Okay. Isn't that cute? Isn't that just cute? One of the reasons I chose that is it looked like it was going to be not quite so much confetti. I don't like confetti. I don't like doing one stitch here and one stitch there. Look at those colors. They're very pretty. Very wintry. Oh, they're very soft on my hand. So, there are 25 colors. We've got some blues, some burgundy here, purples and greens and grays and reds, and here's another red. Oh, that's a pretty color. This one right here, number 19, is a dark blue. Actually, maybe dark purple. So, and then I've got an extra hank of this blue color. I imagine that's going to be the background, the majority of the background. So those are the threads. This one is not serged. I like the fabric that this is on. Oh, it's already ripped. Somebody cut into it. That's all right. That's fine. It's a very small pattern, but I can read it. Again, we have the 24 colors. The symbols will match what's on the canvas, so that's good. And again, there's another picture of it. It has 2 needles right here on the back. And this is the canvas. The canvas is not serged. It's stiff, but it'll loosen up pretty quickly. Even the confetti in the back, it's all the same colors that are near it, so I won't have to stop and start my threads so much. And on this one, you can actually see what it will be. The colors are different. It helps you know which colors are. If this was green and you were putting your green thread on it, it would be hard to tell which ones you've already stitched. So it's, you know, this one looks like an easy one, and I'm excited to do this one. It is a 40 by 50, has 129 stitches across and 173 stitches down. It is really, it looks really clear to me too as it's printed on here. And it is 11 count. So I'm excited about this one for sure. I like blocks of color that aren't real big, so you do have some motion and excitement going on, and the whatnot. So I'm gonna pull this chair out, use it to put my stuff on. Okay. Apparently those are the only cross stitch patterns I have. So let's go into, I'll do this one. This looks like fun. This is a Noel wall hanging. There's more special canvases in here. I realized I really didn't have that many, and I enjoy them. And what happens is I get them and I give them away. So, usually before I even do them. So hopefully I'll get some of these done by me. And, this looks like it's the base. It looks like it got a little bit injured it's got black marks on it. Probably from the, I don't know what it's from. It's like the back of that. Anyway, the drill field is clear. It's a little bit light, but in some places, but I can read it. It says Noel with the gnome there. And then you just put it in the base. It looks like it will take some work to get it in the base. That's probably good because that means it won't fall out. There is a film over it so that it keeps the sticky clear. I will have to work on that, but that's how it will look. These are the drills. There's ones that they look like they're AB drills. And the rest there's an orange and a red, yellow, green, and a black, probably 310 regular drill. So I think that'll be pretty. It'll be a fun project. It has a regular toolkit with it. And so that's my Noel gnome. And he was $5.99. This is another special drill. And I will probably do the rest in another video because this one's getting kind of long. This is a Christmas wreath. Isn't that pretty? I just might do some of these Christmas ones now. I'm in the mood to do a little project. I've got some big projects going on right now, and one of them's a bear. It's a diamond painting. The stick is really good. There are 12 colors on this one. I thought that was really pretty. And these are the colors, the green. These are different colors of green, I guess. Red. And there's an amber color with white. Why can't my... AB. And with black, probably 310 regular drills. And there's some blue ones in there that are different shaped. I think they're different shaped. Oh yes, see, we've got some clear silver ones, marquee. And there's some pink. So the ones that I thought were blue must have been reflecting the blue from the package because it's really clear ones. So that's my snowman wreath. I think it is, I really like this one. I think this is why I went to Paintsomeway. I think I saw somebody else unkick this one, and that's why I went to Paintsomeway. Now, I'm going to tell you about the Paintsomeway order real quick. I ordered $52 worth of stuff, and I haven't shown it all to you, but I got a $9 discount. I'm thinking that whoever the creator was that I saw, I can't remember how I got that discount, but I think I used somebody's discount code to get the $9 off. And they have different sales all the time. And I had to pay, let's see. The shipping was $5.60. So, anyway. So that was that. I want to show you this real quick too. I took a copy of my invoice. And I made stickers with my crayon sticker maker. And I'm probably going to make another set of stickers. I'm going to put one set on the projects, on the bags, and I'm going to put another set in my logbook. And anyway, I sat down to do this, and I didn't feel like writing everything out today. So I just made the stickers. So it was actually kind of fun. And it'll be fun to put that on all this stuff. So I want you guys to take care so I can see you guys in the next one. Okay, just to summarize real quick. I got the Lighthouse Crosstitch and the Snowman Crosstitch. The Noel, I don't know what you call it, plaque. And the diamond painting of the Christmas wreaths with the snowman. These all came from Paintsomeway. I paid for them. They were not a PR package. Again, thank you for joining me. See you in the next one.